So last week I transformed the entire deck area and this wall right here. Unfortunately, it's totally like a cave in here, so the dark colors were just absorbing all of the light. By painting it a lighter color, it's now 10 times, I shit you not, brighter in here. It looks like a completely different space.
Okay, so as I am editing this video, I'm realizing that I never said what I was going to be doing this week. So I am continuing my Can I Transform This Dining Room for under $100. And I'm going back to my restoration of these $4,000 dining room chairs that I got for free after throwing this project to the side from overwhelming frustration and rage.
You look bored. Do you want to go to Petco?
Do you like this? Do you want a teddy too? Do you like this teddy? There's a little butterfly. All right, you can have the duck.
Good, how are you? You gotta take it to the register, Rich.
Good. He's so cute. All right, can I give a treat?
Yeah, of course.
All right, take your duck. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, well, you gotta take your duck. Come on. We're not gonna play fetch. Reggie. Reggie.
You have had this bone for 5 minutes, and it's completely shredded. So this is the very last chair that I have not even remotely touched. And honestly, this process is taking so fucking painfully, unbelievably long. I am so frustrated right now, and every time I touch this project, I'm gonna fucking cry, or jump off a bridge, or something. This is just one of those projects that is so terrible. I'm having a lot of regrets right now picking up these chairs, but I also know at the same time it will be worth it and they look really nice. Because I mean, like, come on, look at this. This chair is like just about done. Well, I mean, like I have to paint the like wicker part and reupholster it, but like the wood aspect is like done. Look at how fucking ugly this one is. Nice? Ugly. Nice, fucking ugly. Here are the rest of the chairs. I'm still going in and detailing and getting rid of like little amounts of, you know, like whatever this is called, the stain that's sort of in these crevices, going in with a scraper and such. Mind the mess, none of that exists. And just sort of doing like finer detail work. This sandpaper that I'm using keeps like, okay, I kid you not, I have been using this piece of sandpaper for like 5 minutes, and I think maybe it was too cheap or meant for something else because it's tearing and there's virtually no grit left on it, and ugh. Okay. This is the like 3M stuff, so hopefully this works a little better, but honestly, I don't know what this is for. Apparently this little, excuse you, apparently this little like stampy thing is supposed to go. Uh-huh.
Well, so much for this being better. This piece of shit's already worn out after 5 minutes.
So this is as far as I've gotten as far as getting the chair to like, I don't know how to say this, to like a bleached sort of color. I didn't like do anything to lighten it. This is just the natural wood color that it was before they decided to put that horribly disgusting stain on it.
And honestly, I'm starting to think that this project's coming together.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next week's episode where we submit Kirby for his own OnlyFans page. Bye.